Hi students! Ang aking tatalakayin ngayon ay operations on functions na magpo-focus sa addition and subtraction muna para dito sa part 1 ng video na to. For General Mathematics, week number 3 ayon sa MELC. Operations on functions are similar to operations on numbers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and composing two or more functions together will result in another function. Definition. Let f and g be functions. Number 1. Their sum denoted by f plus g is the function denoted by f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. And for the difference denoted by f minus g is the function denoted by f minus g of x equal to f of x minus g of x. Let's have an example for addition. Given the functions f of x is equal to x minus 1, g of x is equal to 3x plus 4, and h of x is equal to 3x squared plus x minus 4. Determine f plus g of x, or the sum of the function f and function g. So, we are asked to get f plus g of x. So, according to the definition, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, from here, we can now substitute the values or the function of f and the function of g. Ano ba yung function of f na given? The function of f is x minus 1. Okay? And then, plus given g of x is 3x plus 4. Ayan. So, function of f plus function of g. And then, evaluate and simplify na lang po natin. Sino ba ang pwede nating makombine dyan? Siyempre, yung like terms. At sino ang like terms dyan? Ang like terms dyan ay si x at saka si 3x, no? Parehas positive. So, x plus 3x is equal to 4x. Okay. Sino pa ang pwede i-combine? Siyempre, yung constant terms lang o yung walang variable. At yun ay si negative 1 at si positive 4. So, combining negative 1 and positive 4, it will be equal to positive 3. Ayan. That's it. Mako-combine pa ba ito? Siyempre hindi na dahil hindi sila like terms. So, our final answer, f plus g of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Okay, next example. Same given function. And this time, determine f minus g of x. So, subtraction tayo ngayon. So, base sa definition, ang f minus g of x ay equal kay f of x minus g of x. So, substitute na natin yung function f and function g. So, yung f of x natin ay x minus 1. Minus, g of x naman natin ay 3x plus 1. Before ko isulat yung 3x plus 4, maglalagay muna ako ng parenthesis. Okay. Bakit? Kasi minus na po ito. Okay? Hindi katulad kanina sa addition, hindi na natin kailangang lagyan ng parenthesis dahil hindi naman magbabago ang sign. Ang minus na ito ay para sa dalawang term na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, the next step would be, we will distribute this minus sign to the two terms. So, let's just copy x minus 1. And then, yung minus na yan ay para kay 3x at para din kay positive 4. So, mangyayari, minus 3x, and then negative times positive 4 is negative 4. And now, we can combine like terms. Sino ba ang like terms dyan? Si x at si negative 3x. Always consider the sign. So, positive x plus negative 3x, combining them, it will be equal to negative 2x. And then, we can combine negative 1 and negative 4. Negative 1 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 5. Therefore, f minus g of x is equal to negative 2x minus 5. Next example, same given function, this time determine f plus g of negative 2. So, hindi lang natin i-add yung dalawang function, i-evaluate pa natin yung sum nila for the given value of negative 2. So, f plus g of x, of negative 2 is equal to f of negative 2 plus g of negative 2. Okay. So, meron tayong maaaring dalawang paraan dito. Maaaring sa function f, i-evaluate na natin yung negative 2 sa kanya. Ganon din sa g. Tsaka natin i-add. Pwede rin namang i-add muna natin yung dalawang function na f of x tsaka g of x. Pag nakuha na yung sum, tsaka natin i-evaluate yung kanyang value given x is negative 2. Para mas maintindihan, let me show you pag evaluate muna natin per function. So, kung i-evaluate per function, f of negative 2 muna tayo. Tandaan, ang f of x ay x minus 1. Kung i-evaluate na natin agad, yung x, papalitan na natin ng value na negative 2. Yan. Yan ngayon ang f of negative 2. Next, ano ba yung g of x na given? Ang g of x ay 3x plus 4. But since i-evaluate na natin ang g of negative 2, hindi na g of x. So, yung x, papalitan na natin ng negative 2. Yan. So, ang magiging sagot dito, yun na ang g of negative 2. So, evaluate na natin. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Plus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So, lastly, we will add negative 3 and negative 2. So, negative 3 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 5. Therefore, f plus g of negative 2 is equal to negative 5. Okay. So, sa paraan na to, kinuha ko muna yung f of negative 2. Ito yun. At saka g of negative 2, ito naman yun. Tsaka inad. Ano naman yung isa pang paraan? Ang isa pang paraan ay, sa huling part na natin sa substitute yung given value na negative 2. Ang gagawin muna, f of x lang muna. Yung function ni f. At saka yung function ni g. No? I-add muna natin yung dalawang function. Pag na-add na, meron ng expression o bagong function na sum nila, tsaka na natin sa-substitute yung negative 2. So, pakita ko naman yon. Ano ba yung f of x? Ang f of x ay x minus 1. Then, plus Ano naman yung g of x? Ang g of x ay 3x plus 4. Ito rin yung ginawa natin kanina, no? So, nung inad natin, ang naging answer ay x plus 3x is equal to 4x. Tapos, negative 1 plus 4 is equal to positive 3. Ito ngayon yung sum ng f of x tsaka g of x. Mula rito, dahil meron na tayong sum, tsaka natin isa-substitute kay x yung given value na negative 2. So, ang mangyayari, 4, replace x by negative 2 plus 3. And then, evaluate. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. So, same answer pa rin. Okay po? Next. Next is to determine f minus g of negative 2. So, subtract yung dalawang function na f and g, tapos evaluate yung difference o new function by negative 2. So, f minus g of negative 2. So, ang unang method, isang paraan, ay i-evaluate agad natin. We will get f of negative 2 and g of negative 2 and then isusubtract. No? So, ito ay isa sa mga paraan. So, ano ba yung function f? The function f is x minus 1. Pero dahil kukunin na natin yung f of negative 2, papalitan na agad natin si x ng negative 2. Ayan. So, yan ngayon ang ating f of negative 2. Kung ano man yung simplified form niyan. Yan yung f of negative 2. And then, let's copy the minus sign here. And then, of course, don't forget the parentheses. And then, ano ba yung g? Ano ba yung function g? Function g is 3x plus 4. Tapos, since hindi naman g of x, kundi g of negative 2 na agad ang kukunin natin, so papalitan na natin yung x ng negative 2. So, negative 2 na yan. Lagay natin sa loob ng parentheses. Then, evaluate tayo. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Then, copy the minus sign here. And then, parenthesis ulit. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Plus 4 is negative 2. Okay? Then, ano bang mangyayari kapag minus negative ay nagtabi? Diba? Magiging positive yan, or negative times negative, it will be positive. So, ang mangyayari, it will be negative 3 plus 2. And negative 3 plus 2 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, f minus g of negative 2 is negative 1. Okay. Ano yung isa pang paraan? Yung isang paraan ay f of x na lang muna minus g of x. So, hindi pa tayo mag-evaluate. Hindi pa natin gagamitin yung negative 2. Pag nasubtract na natin yung f of x at g of x, yung bagong function na yon, dun natin ngayon i-input o isa-substitute sa x yung negative 2. Okay? So, imbes na f of negative 2, gagawin natin f of x lang muna. So, wala pa tayong isa-substitute na value ni x. Ganon din dito, g of x. Okay? So, another way po ito o another maaaring isa sa mga solutions. Okay. So, ano ba yung given f of x? Ang given function f ay x minus 1. Then, copy the minus sign and then parenthesis again. Ano ba yung g of x? It is 3x plus 4. So, ito ginawa na rin natin kanina, no? So, again, didistribute natin yung negative sign. So, mag-copy x minus 1, and then negative times 3x is negative 3x, and then negative times 4 is negative 4. Tapos, combine like terms, x and negative 3x. When you combine this, it's equal to negative 2x. And then, negative 1, combine kay negative 4, it's equal to negative 5. Ayan. Makakombine pa po ba ito? Siyempre, hindi na. Hindi sila like terms. So, ito yung kanina sagot natin sa f minus g of x. Ngayon, tsaka na natin ngayon ipapasok o isa-substitute kay x yung given value na negative 2. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, negative 2, then, replace x by another negative 2. Then, copy minus 5. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4 minus 5. And 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 1. So, same answer pa rin po. At dito na natapos ang ating part 1 na nakafocus sa addition and subtraction of function. Maraming salamat. Please do like and subscribe.